Anambra State Commissioner for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Affairs, Mr. Tony Collins Nwabwane, has emphasized that regulating the conferment of chieftaincy titles will ensure that those who make meaningful contributions to community development are honored, thereby helping to speed up development in various communities. Correspondent Joseph Obocha brings the details.
Speaking when the Transition Committee Chairman of Ifurunwa South Local Government Area, Prince Neville Uchendo, in company of Ihitee community stakeholders, presented the Igwe-elect of Ihitee community to the state government through his office, Commissioner Nwabwane said the presence of development projects in a community shows there is effective leadership. Congratulating the Ihitee community for the peaceful exercise that led to the emergence of Chief Timothy Ifurunwa as the traditional ruler-elect, Mr. Nwabwane maintained that despite the shenanigans of few individuals, the Soludo administration is determined to entrench peace in Anambra communities by ensuring peaceful handover of power.
I want to congratulate you and to encourage you on getting the certificates and now give you the proper orientation for you to know. Because I am in school. You know a number of times to stay in Anambra school. If you are leaving the state, you are also supposed to take permission. When you are there, you should don't just give anybody chieftaincy title. If you ever the mark one, they say they have been because of your contribution.
While presenting Chief Ifurunwa to the commissioner, the Ifurunwa South TC chairman, Prince Uchendo, said he gave recognition to the emergence of Chief Ifurunwa because laid down rules were followed and urged other communities that will be electing leaders in future to emulate Ihitee community as Governor Soludo would want.
We have conducted two peaceful Igwe election, Igwe-elect and Ihitee. And during these elections, it was very, very peaceful. So my advice to Ifurunwa people, for a few communities, like 4 or 5 communities that are not have the chance of electing the Igwe, to do same, so that they will have a true representative at the center as one of their traditional rulers. So that the message of our able governor to the Igwes, they will be getting their own.
On their parts, Ihitee community stakeholders, including the executive chairman of Anambra State Urban Regeneration Council, Architect Mike Okonkwo, former TC chairman of Ifurunwa South Local Government Area, Chief Cyprian Okereke, President General of Ihitee Development Union, Mr. George Mado, and former President General of the community, Mr. Sunday Nwankwo, all attested that government laid down procedures were followed in electing Chief Ifurunwa to ascend the traditional stool. The traditional ruler-elect, Chief Ifurunwa, in a vote of thanks, promised total compliance with the rule governing traditional institutions in the state and thanked the Ihitee community for the confidence reposed in him.
I'm so happy. In fact, this thing I received here is very nice. The commissioner welcomed us. Immediately he welcomed us. He has started advising me on how Anambra State should be run based on the directive of our government. And they want peace all over the places.
In Oka, Joseph Obocha reporting for ABS News.